Hey, I came to the selection with a client and I'm thinking about it. How can I bring you value? And the best guy to answer that question is right here, my good friend Hank. He knows everything with the kitchens and he supplies a lot in here. He supplies anything for your home. Just to make it easy, tell me a little about the kitchens. Tell me the basic kitchens, the firewood line, the semi-custom, and the customs. Let's just imagine people has 12 by 12 kitchen, and they need to know numbers, cabinets and countertop.
So it's better to start from the standards. What industrial cabinet is basically like all the cabinets that you purchase on the market, custom, stack, or semi-custom, will be starting from 9-inch wide and going in 3-inch increments up to 36, and you combine them and make your cabinets. So there are 3 types of businesses. So stock ones manufactured outside, faster lead time, those are the more, what everybody use. So they're manufactured outside, stacked in flat boxes, assembled upon your order, and boom, in your door in 2 weeks generally. So the semi-customs are American made. They offer you door styles and color options, so you have flexibility to select the door style and the option, so you are not limited with pre-made stock cabinet door styles, so which are going to be in specific colors or specific door styles. So, and there are custom ones that you can do the most. And major difference is the inset boxes that everybody loves. It's the modern kitchen cabinets, so that can be done with those only. So price comparison wise, there's a huge gap in between. So a smaller company in stock cabinet business is small but selling the same product because they are just limited with door styles and options. And they are not selling all over US, for example. So it's a smaller operation, better price, not investing on marketing, so they can keep their prices. So with those guys, an average 12 by 12 kitchen can be around 7,000, and with the best stock brands, it can go up to around 12. So I'm talking about just the cabinets with moldings, but not internal items, because those are so you can do anything according to your measurements, which will affect the price a lot. And semi-customs will be located around 15 to 17. And the customs will start from 20. It's up to what kind of customizations you're gonna do, and what kind of styles you will use, and what kind of wood species you will use. Because that's another option. So only in custom brands you can select the wood species. You can do walnuts, cherries, oaks, reef cut oaks, or regular oaks, poplars, alders, anything. So this is market in 3 minutes, I believe. If you come over here, you will see all the displays, and I can show you over the display what are the differences in more detailed way. This is my house kitchen, and my name is Han. See you soon.
Thank you. Hey, before I let you go, I gotta ask. Everybody talks about firewood. Tell me, what's firewood? Lovely.
Firewood is the biggest on the market. It's a stock brand. It's a stock brand, but they are the biggest. They start really small. Now they are the biggest, and there are custom brands that they purchase the biggest custom brands, well-known brand, Plain and Fancy recently. They are incredible. There's Fabwood and the other companies. So their online ordering system, stock management, and product quality is way more better than all the others. There are some nice differences on box construction, and they are hybrid. So they make their boxes in here, just manufacturing their doors outside. So they will just, and they have a shop in here. They can do custom stuff.
I think you have an appointment. I think I want to make you. Hey, Han, thank you so much. He has an appointment coming on. I can kind of push him. I'm sorry, Han. If I get your kitchen, you'll be happy, right?
Yeah, bring me.
All right. Thank you. All right.